In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the electronic coolant temperature sensor on your Acura MDX. Located under the hood near the battery, let's get started. We're going to start by removing this cover, and the way we're going to do it, we're going to be prying up and sliding it out. So we're going to start by popping it out, then we're going to move to the middle, pull up on this, and get it out of the way. Next, we're going to remove these two clips. I'm using a clip puller to get them off. Get the second one, and now we can just pry on this and get it out of the way. And now remove the engine cover. Simply slide it out. The sensor is located right over here around the throttle body area, looking down. Before we remove the sensor, we need to make sure that the vehicle is cold because the sensor goes straight into the coolant system. We're going to start by unplugging the connector that's right on it. Simply pry it on the tab and pull it out. Once we get this sensor off, there's going to be some coolant loss. That's okay, we're going to be topping it off later. Using a 17mm wrench, we're going to loosen it. Once you get it loose enough, remove it by hand. Remember, there is going to be some coolant coming out. That's okay, we're going to be topping it off. Clean the surface before we install the new one to make sure there's no leaks. Now we're ready to install the new sensor. We want to make sure that we install the O-ring all the way past the threads. Now let's get it in and screw it by hand. This sensor gets torqued down to 9 foot-pounds. In this case, we're going to snug it. Make sure it's tight and plug it in. Make sure you hear that click. Now we're ready to install the cover for the engine. And for that, we want to line up these 4 holes to the top of the engine. You're going to see these 4 little knobs. Those are going to go into those rubber grommets. Line them up. And once you have them lined up, push them in. We install this piece, lined up the holes, and install the clips. Remove the cap. I'm going to be using a funnel that connects to the radiator to the top. Going to lock it in place, and now we can put our coolant in. Using the recommended coolant mixture, we're going to be filling up the coolant system. Pour it into the funnel. You're going to repeat this process until it's full. After the coolant system is completely full, you want to run the vehicle until it gets to temperature. One thing to do, you want to let the fans turn on. That way you know that there's no more air in the system. After that happens, you simply remove your funnel, put the stopper. This is going to go back into the bottle. And we can now install the cap. One thing I recommend after doing this job is going on a short drive and checking for leaks. Now we can install this cover. Start in the middle, slide it under the latch, line it up, slide it into place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.